Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Voidplume Vane. This valuable resource is crucial for crafting powerful items in Warframe. We'll cover the primary methods for acquiring them, focusing on efficiency, and maximizing your farming efforts. Understanding where and how to search will significantly speed up your progress. Let's dive into the best strategies to add Voidplume Vanes to your inventory quickly and effectively. The most reliable way to get Voidplume Vanes is by completing bounties offered by Quinn in the Chrysalith. These bounties often list Voidplume Vanes as a reward, making them a consistent source. Additionally, while on Zariman missions, keep an eye out for small, glowing blue objects scattered throughout the environment. These are often found in less obvious spots, so thorough exploration is key to finding extra vanes. To maximize your Voidplume Vane farming, consider using a highly mobile Warframe. This allows you to cover more ground quickly, especially when searching for environmental pickups. Equipping a loot radar mod is also incredibly helpful, as it will display the vanes on your minimap, making them much easier to locate. Prioritize missions that naturally lead to exploring the entire map, such as Exterminate, for the best results. Once you've collected your Voidplume Vanes, you can use them to craft powerful Incarnon weapons and other essential components at the Chrysalith. Many of these recipes require a substantial amount, so consistent farming is beneficial. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keep farming those vanes, Tenno, and you'll soon have all the resources you need for your crafting endeavors. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.